What's up, everybody? This is Transom Toy Reviews, and today we're going to be looking at Breakout Beasts. This is from Mega CONSTRUX. It's ages 5+. This is Series 3, and it is a buildable figure and slime. So let's check it out. If I can get into it. Okay, so we got a purple egg with some green accents on it. There's some, I guess, studs on the front and top and bottom. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna open it. I've never done this before, so let's see what's inside. Oh wow, that's really cool. Comes in a bag. Here's a checklist. Put these to the side. Oh, that's really neat. So it has a bag with our stuff in it. Here's a tear strip. This is gonna make a mess, so I'd recommend opening this where you don't mind having slime everywhere. No, that's really cool. Oh, wow. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this together, and I will be right back. All right, we're back, and here's our beast. Let's see. It's like a Pegasus. It's got some green armor on the legs, like a green helmet, protective helmet. Its mane, it's got some really nice, kind of like eagle wings. Pretty nice. His mouth opens. Very cool. More armor right here. His tail. Very nice. Didn't take that long to put together either. Let's see. Here's the checklist, or here's the, I guess, instruction manual. Very simple. His name's Freezer. There we go, Freezer. It's got him in all your parts. Let's see, yeah, all your parts. It's got you can actually buy more and mix and match, which is really neat. I like that a lot. Here's some other ones you can get. We have Freezer right there. Oh, I wouldn't mind having that one. That one's cool. Vein green, that's cool. Charcoal. And what's really cool, what I like, is, let me put this over here. This is the display stand too, which I'll show you that in a second. But all that slime that came in it, you can actually put it back in here and reuse it. And it's really, the slime is really nice. It's on my hands. It'll come out. It's like, it's a little wet, but it's thick, and it's the type of slime that I kind of like, where it's not too watery. Oops, not too watery, but not too wet. Not too dry. I mean, I'm sorry. It's really nice. You can cover him. You can cover your thing in it if you wanted to. Put it back in there. Seal it. Put that on here. I like this too. I like how you can actually display. Let me put them on and I'll show you. There you go. Look at that. Move the camera. It's like he's flying. That's really cool. I like that. Well, so that is Breakout Beasts from Mega CONSTRUX, and I think it's really cool. I might have to get some more to open on camera. Alright, well that's it for this video. If you like it, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you later. Bye.